How to improve your English. Simple tips for success. Learning English can be exciting and fun. It's a great way to open up new opportunities, meet new people, and understand different cultures. But sometimes learning a new language can feel difficult. If you are working to improve your English, there are many simple and effective ways to get better every day. In this article, you will find helpful tips to improve your English, no matter where you are in your learning journey. 1. Practice every day. One of the best ways to improve your English is to practice it every day. Even if you only have 10 or 15 minutes, you can use that time to learn. It is better to study for a short time every day than to study for a long time just once a week. By practicing daily, you help your brain remember what you learn. You can practice by reading books, watching English videos, or listening to podcasts. Try to do something in English every day. The more you practice, the better you will get. 2. Learn new vocabulary. Vocabulary is very important when learning a new language. If you want to speak or write well in English, you need to know many words. But how can you learn new vocabulary? Start by learning a few new words every day. Write them down in a notebook. Try to use these words in your sentences. For example, if you learn the word beautiful, you can say, "The sky is beautiful." Using new words helps you remember them. You can also learn new words by reading. When you read books or articles in English, you will find many new words. Don't worry if you don't understand every word. Just try to understand the main idea of the text. 3. Listen to English. Listening is very important when learning a language. When you listen to English, you can learn how to pronounce words and understand how people use them. Try to listen to English every day. You can listen to songs, watch movies, or listen to podcasts. It's a good idea to listen to English in different situations. For example, listen to English news for formal language, or watch cartoons to hear casual language. This will help you improve both your listening skills and your vocabulary. 4. Speak as much as you can. Many people are afraid to speak in English because they think they will make mistakes. But don't worry, making mistakes is part of learning. The important thing is to keep speaking. You can practice speaking by talking to your friends, teachers, or even yourself. You can also join online English groups or language exchange programs where you can speak with native speakers. Try to speak in English every day, even if you don't feel confident. Just try. The more you practice, the easier it will become. 5. Read English texts. Reading is a great way to improve your English. It helps you learn new words, understand grammar, and see how sentences are formed. Try to read different types of texts in English. You can start with simple books or short articles. Many websites have articles written in easy English. There are also graded readers, which are books written at different levels. You can choose a book that matches your level and start reading. While reading, try to understand the meaning of the text. If you don't understand a word, you can look it up in a dictionary. But don't stop reading. Sometimes you can guess the meaning of the word from the context of the sentence. 6. Write in English. Writing is another way to improve your English. When you write, you practice grammar and vocabulary. Writing also helps you think in English. Start by writing simple sentences or a short paragraph every day. You can write about your day, your hobbies, or your favorite food. If you don't know how to say something, look it up or ask someone. It's okay to make mistakes while writing. The goal is to practice and improve. You can also keep a journal in English. Writing in a journal helps you express your thoughts in English and track your progress. 7. Use language apps. There are many language apps that can help you learn English. These apps have fun games and exercises that can help you practice vocabulary, grammar, and speaking skills. Some popular apps include Duolingo, Babbel, and Memrise. You can download these apps on your phone and practice whenever you have free time. Many of these apps offer lessons for beginners and help you build your skills slowly over time. 8. Learn English grammar. Grammar is important, but you don't need to focus on it all the time. Start by learning the basic grammar rules. You can begin with simple sentences like I am, he is, and she has. After you learn basic grammar, you can move on to more complex structures like questions and negative sentences. The more you practice grammar, the more comfortable you will feel using it. You can find many resources online to learn grammar. Websites like English Club or BBC Learning English have free lessons and exercises to help you improve your grammar. 9. Watch movies and TV shows in English. Watching movies and TV shows in English is a fun way to learn. You can watch your favorite movies or shows with English subtitles to help you understand the dialogue. Start by watching shows for beginners or children. These shows usually use simple language. As you improve, you can watch more advanced shows and movies. Watching movies and shows helps you learn how people really speak in English. You can also learn slang and expressions that are used in everyday conversations. 10. Be patient with yourself. Learning a new language takes time. Don't expect to speak perfect English right away. Be patient and kind to yourself. Celebrate the small successes, like learning new words or understanding a sentence. When you feel frustrated, remember that everyone makes mistakes. The important thing is to keep going. Keep practicing, and you will improve every day. Improving your English takes time and effort, but it is also a rewarding experience. By practicing every day, learning new vocabulary, listening, speaking, and reading in English, you will become a better English speaker. Remember to be patient with yourself and enjoy the learning process. The key to success is consistency. Practice a little every day, and soon you will see your English skills improve. Keep going and don't give up.